What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Today we're looking at Elrond on the 4 hour time frame and some not very good signs yesterday, to be honest guys. So when I left you off, we were potentially forming a double bottom here. We actually had a bullish cross, which is signaling a confirmation of an uptrend, basically because we were already having a low, a high, a higher low and a higher high, and we were coming back to form this higher low on the previous swing high over here to turn that resistance or the previous swing high into support, or previous swing high into a swing low. So that's what should have happened, and we saw this double bottom start to form. So we needed to come up here and break this resistance to go to the 1618, but we stopped at the 1.272 and then we went ahead and lost this resistance. So for me, not just looking at swing highs and swing lows, when we topped out here, where did we drop to? We dropped down to this area over here. You can see that we found support, had a bounce, lost it, got back above it and confirmed its support. So for me, the true support is this area here. So I think now, because you've lost this, and if we can stay below this, we should continue down to this green box down here, because if we're losing this swing high support, you go to the next level. So resistance, support, lose this support, we come into the previous one down here around 135 to 138 dollars. Now of course we need this level to hold, because if you're losing this low, especially this $133 wick down here, if we get a body candle close below that, you're trying to head back down to these like around 129 to 125 dollars. Now we really need to hold this low to continue this double bottom formation, this much larger double bottom. And we did have a double bottom here, one bottom, neckline, second bottom. We broke out to back test the neckline here, and on the neckline we're forming another double bottom. Unfortunately lost that neckline. So it basically means that this target to $175, which was validated once you broke this resistance point right there, has now become invalidated since you lost the support and it had a massive wick to the top, meaning it wants to drop. And all this is, even though you're pumping right now, it's just a short-term bounce. Now I will get some fibs out, because this could be the 618 location. So from here to there, you can see we actually did go a bit, let me get rid of that, we did go a bit below the 618, but now we got above it over here, and you confirm that support with that bullish candle. However, even though it's a bullish candle which says that we should go up, we're in this short-term downtrend here with a high, with a low, with a lower high, lower low, and this could just be a lower high again. So for me to get confident to say that yes, we're going to head back to this 175 technical target, we need to go ahead and reclaim 150, because at the moment you've just lost a psychological level, which was a psychological level of support. So now it's a psychological level of resistance. So if we were to come back into 150, potentially is going to be used as resistance, unless we get a mega pump that completely brings us back above it, confirms its support, meaning that this whole move to the downside over here was a fake out. And that's only if you get back above and confirm its support. Until then, we could just be coming back for resistance to continue down into this support target that we now have in and around $135. So let's see what Elrond is going to do next. Other than that, we still are putting in higher lows and higher highs. So technically we are in this mid-term uptrend, in this larger downtrend, in a smaller downtrend. So it's so confusing guys, it's very technical, but basically you haven't met your technical target out of the falling wedge up here, which is going to be met once we get up to this level over here. So with the higher lows and the higher highs that are also still outside of the broadening falling wedge resistance, you're still finding support above it basically, and you found support right there on that wick. Can you see that? So on this wick right here you found support, and that's what's basically holding you up for the moment. You can see it's also, if we go back, this wick over here, so you can see valid resistance, valid support, valid support, valid support. So this is what's holding us in the short term, and if we come up now and get rejected by those EMAs, I would expect this to fail to hold and for us to come back into this green box down here. Of course, it's very vital to hold this low right now, otherwise you can see we're losing that one, confirming its resistance and heading to the 1618. Now the 1618 is your target, but it doesn't have to go there. It could just come down to the 1.272 or the 1414 before getting back above the one and heading higher like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're not getting enough engagement on the video, so we need more likes, we need more subscribers, and we need more comments. Most of you watching do not subscribe, so please change that. Of course, get joined into the Louis Crypto community. And yeah, if you're interested in like signals chat, courses, or mentorship, I'll bring you guys over to the crypto packages now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2 hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6 hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6 hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.